my name is Paul McDermott, and today we're going to be reading Sirama Rama. And it was written by Alif Ilma Zakiah and illustrated by Andina, Subarja. Sirama Rama. Are you ready? Shall we start? Let's start. Look, mother, a Sirama Rama. Now, Sirama Rama means moth. Some Indonesians believe that if you see this moth, someone you love will soon be near. Oh, that may be because Father will return soon. Is he in the angkot van already? Maybe. Is he on the boat already? Could be. Is he still on the train? Or the plane? I don't know, Ara, Mother laughs. Ask the Sirama Rama. Sirama Rama, where is Father? Oh, Sirama Rama, where did you go? Where is the Sirama Rama? Perhaps behind this curtain. Wow! Come on, Sirama Rama, let's go find Father. And there's a beautiful painting here of the young girl Ara on top of the Sirama Rama, flying over the fields. Slow down, slowly, Sirama Rama. Let's see if Father is inside that angkot van. Is he inside? No, Father is not there. Go down, go down. There is a boat, Sirama Rama. Is Father on the boat? No, Father is not there. Faster, faster, fly faster, Sirama Rama. Let's catch that train. Is Father inside? No, Father is not there. Up, up! Fly higher, Sirama Rama. Maybe Father is inside that plane. Oh, I can't find Father anywhere. Where is he? I'm so tired. Let's just go home, Sirama Rama. Oh, and there's a beautiful painting of the young girl falling asleep on the moth's back as it flies through the nighttime sky. It's very pretty. And there's Ara lying down holding what looks to be the back of the moth, but there are interesting patterns creeping into the side of the painting. Father! She's very happy. She's hugging her father, and on the back of his shirt is the Sirama Rama and other creatures that we saw on Ara's journey to find her dad. And that's the end. I hope you enjoyed Sirama Rama. Goodbye, everyone.